Hi, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn a quick way on how to create dynamic stock register that updates record in real time and changes colors as well. So if your stock is running out, it indicates in a red color you can see in real time. If you have few units left, it's going to tell you how many units left by changing a dynamic color. To do this, we first need to use the logical if, or you use the ifs. Now we can see the status. If it is 0, we are out of stock. If it is below 10, we have few units left. If it is above 11 or 10, then we have goods in stock. But you can see that it's not changing colors just like we saw before. How do you do this? We have two ways of doing it. One, you can use the conditional formatting or use a custom formatting. But for the sake of this video, we are going to use the conditional formatting, and I'll teach you two ways of doing it using the conditional formatting. So let's check it out. Before we do that, we need to select the range as well. Conditional formatting, new rule. We are going to use this one, the last option. Use the formula to determine which cell to format. So we are going to create 3 new rules here. The first one is going to be for the in stock. The condition for that is if anything in this cell is greater than 10, then it means we have item in stock. So we can just write cell D3 over here instead of clicking D3. If D3 is bigger than 10, then it should be in stock. So the ground rules here are all the in stock to turn to green color, all the out of stock to turn into a red color, then the few units left to turn into blue color. You can choose any color that you want. These are the ground rules upon which we are going to work. So after selecting this, just go right to the format and change the color to green because I want all the in stock should be green. Remember the condition for the in stock in the formula bar here is this should be bigger than 10. So all in stock. So for you not to get confused, you can just copy this exact formula and paste it inside the bar. Now let's do for out of stock and also few units left. Let's go back to the conditional formatting. This time we are not creating new rules. Let's manage rules. So then we have one. The fastest way to create the other ones is just to duplicate this one that we have. Now we have 3. So let's format the other ones into the way we want it to be. So I want the first one to be red, which means that if you are out of stock, then it means the unit should be 0. So we'll come here. We now say the D3 should be equal to 0. Then we go back to format, change colors. I want it to be red. I said okay. Now all the out of stock will be red. Let's do for the last one as well. This one is a little bit tricky. Now the few units left is in between the out of stock and then the in stock. It means that we can't just go straight forward by saying that it's less than 11. It should be more than 1 and it should be less than 10. So let's format it and change the colors as well. Because it is two formulas, we are using the N to join them. We are setting the ceiling and setting the floor. So we said okay. Now let's apply it and say okay. So you can just double click here to apply. So you can see now that the colors are now changing. Exactly we are doing it. So if it is 20, it is more than 11, so it is in stock and the color has changed. If it is 0, it's out of stock. If it is anything below 10, then we have few units left. Then it's also displaying the units that we have left. So that is how to go by it. Alternatively, there's a shorter method to do this. For those that don't like formulas and code stuff, let's check that out too. So assuming everything is back the way it was, this time what we can do here is going back to the conditional formatting. We still go to new rules. Now at this place, we're just going to use these options. Format only cells that contain. So the second option, we double click. You have to change this into specific text. So now they said the specific text containing. This place we only have to write 3 things. The first one should be if they are in stock. I format it to be, let me just use this. Then the same way that we apply those 3, let's go and create the other 2 as well. Manage rules. Now click on it and duplicate it. So now we have 3. The second option should be, what should we do? Out of stock. We change the color to blue or whatever you want it to be. Now I'll say okay. Then the third one, double click. Change it to few units left. Well, let me just change this to, which color should I use? Let's make it homogeneous, so same color. Let me also maintain this color to be red. Okay, I think we are good to go now. Double clicking here. Ta-da! So this one is shorter, but that one will make you understand it way better than this. But who doesn't like shortcuts? So anyone that works for you, just go by it. You should be fine. So if you like videos like this, subscribe, like and follow, and share to other people that may need this. I'll see you in the next one.